Best is speed of simulation and realistic planning results.
Before using Asprova, we used various Excel sheets in our production planning. Kontio is the world-leading loghouse factory. We deliver on average 2,000 houses to more than 20 countries worldwide every year. We had challenges with prolonged lead times and excess storages. Our process is quite complex, but we didn't need to use any time for programming. The time consumed for our production planning was decreased by 70%. Both the lead time and the work in process inventory were cut in half. Now our team is able to focus more on the research and development work. With Asprova solutions, we have been able to increase our product range and strengthen our position as the market leader in the loghouse industry.
We do not have any doubts from Asprova because we have early proof of concept.